long patience.
Si ate tawag-tawa ko.
Kabayan ba yung isa dyan?
Kabayan pala to, akala ko ibang yan.
Ayun po si Ate Kabayan pala.
Ate, pala yung nakaluwag-luwag dyan, ate.
Dahil nag-request kay Ikon, magsabi siya sa ibang lahi.
Oo, ikaw na bahala.
Sino-sino mong magtutulungan tayo magkakababayan.
Sa'yo nakasalalay ang
Bulungan mo na yan kasi Algeria yan, mayayaman yung mga yan.
What are you doing here? You're working.
Are you here for vacation or to spread the virus? What's that?
No!
Just kidding.
He's working. What company? Is it illegal or illegal?
Uy!
I'm just asking. What company? Water sports.
Wow! I love water
Water
sports.
sports, like, biking, like that.
Ano biking? Water sports, di mo alam?
Ay, binago na pala.
Safari, like that.
Paano?
Ito na nga ako, order na lang ako. Alright, we will sing your request palagi. Ate,
Ate!
Okay na dadali na rin ko. By the way, what's your name? Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Amin.
Alright, the song from DJ Monterde. Guys, palakpak naman tayo for the song palagi. Come on.
Ako, maganda sana pala ako ang Sina. Kayo na lang muna. Wala pa